Alright, go.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Alright, so we have this 2000 Volvo S80 with a 2.9 straight 6. We've had problems with the battery not lasting too long, so we only be able to crank it for a few seconds. It seems like it's cranking too slow, but I'm not sure. We just got another battery from another car. It has 850 cold cranking amps, and it's a good battery. And we're going to try to crank it a few times to see what happens. We covered these with tin foil because we were reading, when we rerouted this one, we were reading that they might have some electromagnetic interference with the crankshaft position sensor and the camshaft position sensor. It's installed.
You put it back in?
Yes, I did. But the tach is still jumping, so I think we might need a new sensor anyways. But it's not even, the car seems like it's not even trying to kick over. So I'm gonna make a video here, try to start it, and let's see what happens.
Alright.
Ready? Pull it down. Whoa! Wow. Push the gas and try it.
I was.
Try it without the gas.
I was doing both. It looked like it was backfiring.
No, keep trying it without the gas.
Oh, okay. My battery's gonna die.
It's lasting a lot longer than other ones. Alright, now let it cool off. Alright, well that's our first video. I'm going to turn the camera off and restart it maybe later. Hope someone can give us some help. We checked the spark. Well, actually we didn't check the spark yet. Maybe we should do that. But, alright, we're going to do that. Maybe, hopefully someone can help. We got a new starter. Like I said, the battery's good. So, I took the intake pipes off, but I think I should still start without that. Alright. Thanks.
Now you're good.